Well, you look like you went to whatever. That's right. Yeah. Sort of taking the right, because we haven't got pressure right everywhere, so I think we'll sort out that.
Okay.
I think that's very poking as far as I can